Okay, so here we have the whole machine opened up, and this is part 2 of the video, and you'll see all the parts laid out that were in the boxes. We have the instructions, we have the USB, the power cord, the 2GB memory card, a toolkit, an extra fuse, a bunch of extra pieces. We only need 2 of these screws right now. These are the 2 spindle holders that go on the back of the machine, and they stick out the back and hold your plastic. You also have one roll of sample material. I'm not sure about the tolerances of this material. Of course, the higher quality material you use, the easier it'll be to print with. And you also have a little sample piece printed on one of these machines. It's a little hard to see in the camera here, but it's a good example of quality. If you lay out all your screws in order of size, you're not looking for the smallest, you're looking for the next size up. And you'll need 2 of these, and they're going to be used to attach the extruder to this actual carriage. So we're going to grab one of the tools and the screws, and you're going to be able to see here that there's a little screw hole. It's a little hard to see, but one goes into the right and one goes into the left. Now it's important to remember, if you're going to be traveling around with your bot a lot, it's not a good idea to leave this attached to the rails as you travel, because as the machine gets bumped and bumped, it may actually bend down or just change some of the tolerances here. So I would probably suggest removing these 2 screws and then attaching this dual extruder block down here somewhere with some padding or just some tape to hold it to the back or the bottom in here or something, just so that extra weight isn't on the machine. Tighten them down a little bit and we're good to go. Alrighty, we're going to go ahead and add these to the back. So you just unscrew one end. The longer piece slides through the back of the machine, and the front gets added on. There are 2 of those. We're just going to demonstrate one for today. Other than that, we're going to go ahead and power up the machine, and we're going to plug it in, put the memory card in, and see where we're at.